Right, people, back again with a Palantir update. Don't panic. I know everyone's thinking, why is Palantir down? Do not panic at all. I did say in my last video, which I should leave a link to at the end of this video, that it's going to come down to support and then it's going to bounce. I said this in my last video. You can go and check out my last video on Palantir. Do not panic at all. I know it's been weak. It's been weak against the market today. Well, the market this morning, when it opened earlier, it tanked a bit, and Palantir tanked a bit more, which was the relative weakness, but it had to do that, and it was bound to do that because of the run up it's had. It's had like a great run up. So I'll show you just a bit more in a bit more depth. Open up this screen for you. All right, so look, Palantir's plummeted down to the support area where I said in my last video, right here. And look, bottoming tails are coming in at the 20 EMA. So this is support as well as this support, the minor price pivot support. And yeah, just don't be alarmed. Great buying area. The market's due to recover as well, because the market looks like it's going back up as well. Let's have a look at the market. Okay, look, this is the market today. Let's get on this daily chart. Okay, so today, this is the green day of the market. Come down to support yesterday. The market's due to go up. Look, it's respecting the 20 EMA. Come down to support. Might get another red day. Maybe after today, might get another red day to just bring it right down to that support area. And then we're going to bounce back up. As long as we stay above this 20 EMA as well, that would be a great sign. And then we'll get the bounce. Once we get the bounce with the market, Palantir as well, we'll shoot up. Let's just go into the micro time frames. So yeah, this is when you see these four charts here, I just populate my chart so it's the 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 2 minutes, and 1 minute chart. So I can get a better view of everything. And look, this is the 15 minutes. Once it breaks that, it's gone, market's back up to there, then that's the next point where it's gonna have a little bit of a struggle again. But as you can see, it's going sideways, went down a touch. Massive green comes in, breaks this resistance here, breaks it, comes back down to support, and then all we're waiting for it to do is grind and break again and go back up. Let's look at Palantir again. Let's look at Palantir in the micro charts. And see what it's doing. Okay, so this is the 15 minutes, the 5, the 2, and the 1 minute chart. Okay, so today opened up here today, tanked down, come to here, bounced at the support levels which I was showing in my last video, and now it's grinding back up. So all we will want it to do now is stay on top of this 20 EMA, get on top of that, break this area, and then we know we're in transition back up again. Definitely. Zoom in a bit. Yeah, it's looking real good. It was bound to come down. Don't know if I've mentioned. Obviously, let me just get up the daily for you again, to show you something. Why we may have took the extra drop down. Okay. Don't know if we'll be able to see the all-time high with the, oh, there it is, yeah. So the reason why we took that big like drop down today, how many, I think it was 4% it dropped today or something like that, is because it's got to its all-time high. There's people's got to be taking profits, because look, people have got in here and rid it all the way up. This is big profits. People have been taking profits, and plus we'll have a bunch of sellers there as well, ready to short the stock, which gives it an extra push down. And on top of that, the market this morning, when it opened, it took a dip down as well. But as you can see, strong bottoming tail there. This means that this was all red here before. This was a red body bar all before, and then the greens have come back and pushed this up. This is a lot of demand, a lot of buying power. Even yesterday, a lot of people were just buying in. Even when they was coming down, people were buying in. But today's even stronger. So yeah, right on top of the support that I showed you, right on top of the 20 EMA, and then going to shoot off again, especially when the market recovers. It's going to break that top, that $44. Once it breaks that $44, guys, I think $50 would be the next stop. Yep, $50 would definitely be the next stop. It will probably might hang around at the $50 mark after the 44. After it breaks the 44, it should hang about at like $50 maybe. Yeah, it's brilliant, man. This is my favorite stock. Said it before. I'm heavily invested. Yeah, it's going to do wonders. This stock is going to make people rich, definitely. 100%. Guys, tell me if you are invested in Palantir, what you're planning on doing, when you're planning on coming out, where you think it's going. Like if you think it's going to $100, $350, $350, $500. Let me know if you're swing trading it, if you're holding it for a long position, how long you're planning on holding it for, stuff like that. It'll be great to know what everyone else is doing. But like I said, this is a 10, 15 years play for me. Definitely. I'll just be adding every time it comes down to support levels. I will be adding. I bought a tiny bit today. Tiny bit today. Few shares today at this support. Yeah. It could even come back down again and then retest again. And if it retests again, I will be buying a little bit more and just waiting for the launch off. But yeah, that's it, guys. I just wanted to inform you. Just don't panic. Just made this video because obviously I know people might have been panicking because of the drop today. But there's nothing to worry about. Palantir earnings are coming out. I think it is. When's the earnings out? Earnings is out the 14th. No, the 4th. I think it's the 4th of November. Earnings is out for Palantir. You know what we expect already. It's been growing every quarter. The earnings come out every year. It's just been growing with profitability, revenue, contracts. It's just phenomenal company. Yeah, so I would expect after November the 4th, I think the earnings release is after the market closes. So look out for that. listen out for the numbers and stuff like that. I may even report on that as well. But yeah, great stock. Don't be alarmed.